Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Math 1 curriculum. Math 1 is a high school level course that we offer to some 8th graders. Math 1 covers topics like linear equations, inequalities. We do a lot of work with functions, especially linear functions, exponential functions, and quadratic functions. A big chunk of our year is spent on the linear function, and then we do touch on the exponential and quadratic. Quadratic functions continue into Math 2 next year. At the end of the year, students only take the Math 1 EOC. They no longer take the EOG. Their grades are made up of their semester 1 and 2 are 40% each of their final grade. Their EOC at the end of the year counts as 20% of their overall final grade. That is new for these students. I've gone over that in class with them, and I will continue to remind them that the EOC does count and it is 20% of their overall final grade. In math class, we use IXL. You may be familiar with that from last year. If not, it is an internet-based program that we use at home and at school. So it is really important that students have access to IXL at home, as well as students need to be showing their work. We require all work to be shown, and we will not give credit if they are not showing their work. For next year and beyond, their pathway looks like this. Math 1 does count as one math credit for towards high school graduation. The grade does not count, but it will be on their transcript. So it will show up on their transcript, but it does not count in the actual GPA. The pathway, once they get there, they will either take Honors Math 2 or Math 2 next year as freshmen. They will take Honors Math 3 or Math 3 as a sophomore. And then from there, they need a 4th credit. And so most students who take Math 1 in 8th grade will take Honors Pre-Calc as a junior. And then as seniors, they have the option, they have several options. They can just take AP Calc AB, or they can combine AB and BC as a whole year class every day. And then they can also, with either one of those options, take AP Stats. So by taking Math 1 in 8th grade, they are able to take pretty much every math class that's offered at Huff before they leave for a college-bound student. And that's pretty much Math 1. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to email your child's teacher, and have a great day.